A very cheerful good morning to you all, students. Today's topic is operation with large numbers, in which we are going to discuss word problems related to division. Chapter 2, Exercise 2.7. Question number 1. There were 62,910 participants from 45 countries in a youth sports meet. How many youths participated from each country? Assume that there were equal number of participants from each country. In this question, from 45 countries, total participants are given 62,910. Now we have to find out number of participants from each country. For that, you have to equally divide total number of participants into equal number of countries. For that, how many total number of participants are here? 62,910. Okay, and total countries are 45. So 62,910 will be divided by 45. And now we will divide 62,910 by 45. And the final answer is 1398. It means 1398 participants are participating from each country. Question number 2. Government distributed rupees 66 lakh 56,800 equally among 53 families affected by floods. How much money did each family get? In this question, total money which is distributed among 53 families is equal to rupees 66 lakhs 56,800. Now in this question, you have to divide equally this money into number of families. So total money is rupees 66 lakhs 56,800 and families are 53. So 66 lakhs 56,800 divided by 53. Finally, after dividing, we get 1,25,600 rupees, which each family got. Question number 3. Neha won rupees 24 lakhs 78,900 in a lottery. If she has to distribute this amount equally among 10 of her relatives, how much money would each relative get? Total won money by Neha is equal to rupees 24 lakhs 78,900. Now this amount she has to equally distribute among 10 relatives. So what we will do? Total money will be divided by each family, that is 10 families. So 24 lakhs 78,900 will be divided by 10. and you know that 0 and 0 cut. So finally amount is 2,47,890. This is the amount which each relative will get. This is the extra question. If 30 people can travel in a bus maintaining social distance due to COVID-19, how many buses are required for 1,350 people? In this question, for 30 people required one bus, it means 30 people can go in one bus. Okay. Now we have to find out for 1,350 people how many buses are required. So it is very clear that 1,350 will be divided by 30. And after dividing, we get final answer is 45. 45 buses are required for 1,350 people.
Students, these sums do it in your maths notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.